1 minute. Yes. So now are you able to see my screen? Everybody now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it will come. It will come. Don't worry. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
in the
ma'am.
screen you can see clearly. What you can see clearly, children, in the screen? You can see a shape,
Sound
right?
waves are reflecting, ma'am.
So you can see
Yes,
a
ma'am.
shape on which sound waves are coming, and you can see a black colored on the screen also. Okay, where beneath the ship there is a transmitter. Okay, so beneath the ship there is a transmitter which transmits the sound pulses. Okay, sound waves or sound pulses. We call them as sound pulses. So beneath the ship there is a transmitter which transmits this sound pulse. Okay, and that is how this sound pulses will be transmitted into the water, and that red colored waves are nothing but they are sound impulses which has been transmitted by the sonar. So beneath the ship there is a system called as sonar. There is a mission, or there is a equipment called as sonar. Okay, so this sonar equipment, what it do is it transmits sound impulses or sound pulses into the ocean. So what will happen, you can see clearly there are some hills under the sea beneath. Okay, there are some small hills, hill like structures. Okay, so for example, if I want to find out the distance between the top of the sea, and then the distance between the hills and the ship, let us say the ship is there above the sea. Okay, and these hills are located beneath the sea, and I want to find out the distance between the ship and the hill, let us assume. So then how can I do is, I will take the sonar system, and operator will be owning the sonar system. Then when once it was on, the sonar system will be releasing this impulses or pulses into the ocean. Okay, and then what happened, these pulses will reach that particular object. It could be a hill or it could be any other object. They will be reaching these waves, these sound waves will be reaching those particular objects. And again, we have a topic called as echo, right? So what will happen, any sound wave, when it hits any particular object, or when some obstacle comes in the middle of the sound wave, then what will happen to sound wave will strike that particular object. Sound wave will strike that particular object, and it is reflected back, which is called as echo. So then blue colored lines are nothing but reflected back waves or echo waves. We call them as echo wave or a reflected back wave. Okay, so the same sound waves are reflected back. So now what the sonar will do is, it will measure the time taken for the sound wave to reach the object, and then again the time taken to the echo wave to reach the transmitter. So they will measure the time, how much time it is taking to reach the object, the sound impulse, and at what time the echo is produced back, or at what time the echo wave is again transmitted back to the sonar. So the time taken is taken measured there, and that is how they will calculate the distance between the ship and that particular object. Not only distance, they will also find out which kind of object is there. There are some marine animals, or there is any hills, or there are any stones present, or there are any some marine plants present, or any kind of we have some kind of ships or something which were submerged inside this. So anything is like that present, or any
Miss,
warfare.
how will they
uh,
know that?
so this is what the sonar system is having
How will they
transmit.
find out if it was a marine
Yeah,
animal?
that is what I was telling you. There were
Then
some
what?
options, in the sonar system. Whenever you would like to find out the objects, whatever present in there, when you want to identify that particular objects, so the sonar system is having different kinds of mechanic options, mechanism. So based on that options, it emits the impulses or sound waves from the transmitter. It emits some kind of radiations it emits some kind of sound waves, and those sound waves will go to that object, and based on the sound waves reflected back, the kind of sound produced, so there is a difference in the quality of sound produced. Okay, so the sound produced will vary from one object to the other object. So based on the different types of sounds produced,
Okay.
okay, there is some kind of mechanism to detect that that what kind of object it is and at what distance it is placed. So this all will come in your higher grades. Okay, this is not related to you, I mean that depth is not required for 8th grade, but still for your clear understanding, I am just giving you more explanation on this. Okay, so but in your course book the deeper explanation was not there, but still I just want to give you. Here also there is some water ship which was submerged inside the watercraft is there, which is present inside the water. You can see, watercraft, and there were two dolphins also in this picture, and then there is some watercraft which is present inside the sea. So there is one minute. So there is one ship which was there at the top of the sea, okay, or on the sea. So the ship, beneath that ship there is a system called as sonar system, and this sonar system is again, you can see white color lines. Okay, white colored lines are there where the sound pulses were being transmitted from the sound from the sonar system of the ship into the deep depth of the sea. So that white colored waves are nothing but sound pulses which are transmitted by the sonar system, and then they are reaching that particular watercraft which has been submerged inside the water. And then again you can see the dotted lines which are reflected back. So those dotted lines are nothing but echo waves which are reflected back. So here we are able to identify what particular object it is and at what distance it is located from the top of the sea. So the distance and the object, both are identified in this. And there is one more picture also. There are some group of fishes which were traveling beneath the sea, and there is a big ship which is having sonar system, inbuilt sonar system under the ship. So by the help of that sonar system, the sound waves are being produced, okay, transmitted, and that sound waves were reaching that particular object. And whenever a sound wave is hitting any particular object, the sound wave will be producing echo, because there is a reflection property there. The sound waves were reflected and some echo waves are produced, and the dark black color lines are reflected back waves, or we call them as echo waves, and echo waves are going back there. You can see them clearly. Okay, so as the echo waves are going back there, so this is how the objects whatever present beneath the sea are identified. And then they can also calculate the distance. They will find out what is the time taken for the sound impulse to reach that particular object, and what is the time taken for the echo waves to reach again the sonar system. So the time they will take, and then they'll calculate the distance and other things. And here also there is one picture where you know how the sonar system was placed inside a boat or a ship. So that brown colored part is nothing but it is a ship, model ship, and beneath that you can see a rectangular thing where you have a green indication, green icon as well as blue icons. So these blue icons are those things which transmits the which produces or transmits the sound waves into the ocean or into the sea, and those sound waves will go into the ocean wherever it is required, and then they will hit the object. So when once this gray colored lines you can see very clearly, okay, gray colored lines were produced by blue color transmitters, okay, and these transmitters, they are producing these sound pulses, and these sound pulses were reaching red colored object. And then when once the sound wave is hitting an object by a property called as echo, these sound waves will be again transmitted back or reflected back, which is called as echo wave. And the green colored waves are green colored lines indicates they are reflected back waves or echo waves. And then there is a receiver also which receives all these things, and hence the calculation was made accordingly. So these are all pictures I have collected so that you can understand how the sound waves were transmitted into the ocean by the help of sonar, and how the distance will be calculated, and then how the object will be detected. So this is how it was explained for you very clearly. Here also you can see a picture which is having a big ship, and under the ship there is red colored indication called as sonar system, and sonar system is releasing or transmitting sound waves, and those sound waves were reaching the boats or watercrafts which are present inside the water. Okay, and they were reaching that, and then when the sound wave is hitting that particular watercraft, then again that particular sound waves are being reflected back as an echo waves, and those echo waves are again received by the sonar system through receivers, and then the distance and the particular object is calculated and identified. So in this sonar system we have two types of sonar systems. Okay, one is active sonar and second one is passive sonar. What are the two kinds of sonar systems, children, we have? So one is active sonar, and the second one is passive sonar. So when you talk about active sonar, so active sonar is a two-way process. Mean two types of waves. Till now, whatever the pictures I have shown, those all pictures belongs to active sonars, because the transmitter is releasing the sound waves into the ocean or into the water, and those waves are hitting that particular object, and again there is a reflection waves. Okay, after that wave, after hitting any particular object, they are again reflected back as an echo wave, and these echo waves are received by the sonar. So this kind of process is called as active sonar. Okay, where there are two waves. One is, sonar will produce the sound waves into the water, and they go into the water and they hit the object, and again they are reflected back as an echo wave, and the echo wave is received by the receiver which is there in the sonar system. This is a two-way process which is called as active sonar. So coming to the passive sonar, what will happen is the sonar system do not have any transmitter. I mean it will not transmit from the sonar system any waves. Okay, but it is having a very good receiver. Okay, so here the transmitter is that particular object only. For example, if the fish is there, fish is only a transmitter. For example, if there is any object inside the water which is submerged, that object itself it is a transmitter. Mean like, or any hills are there, or anything which is present inside the water, whatever the sound produced by that particular object, it is called as transmitter. Okay, and in the passive sonar system there is only a receiver. Okay, more clearly you will understand with this picture. Okay, so for example, if you look into this picture, okay, in the passive sonars, there is no transmitter by the sonar system. Here who is acting as a sonar is that particular object. For example, you can see, one watercraft which is also submerged inside the water. Okay, and one ship which is having the sonar system. Okay, so this sonar system, what it is doing, it is receiving the noise made by the engines whatever present inside the watercraft. Okay, for example, let us say a watercraft is submerged inside the sea. Okay, so whatever the noise produced by that particular object, it could be the noise of the engines, or it could be the noise of the water which is passing across the vessels or around the vessels, or any propeller sounds. If it is in case of marine animals, the sound produced by the marine animals, or the sound produced by passing of the water around them. So whatever the minute sounds which were produced by the object, or which were transmitted by the object, this sonar system will receive those sound waves, and then accordingly it will find out the object as well as the distance. So this is called as passive sonar system. But in active sonar system, so pulse of sound will be emitted by the sonar system into the water, and the reflected or the echo wave will be received by the sonar system, and the echo is recorded, and the final calculation process will be done. So this is how the active and passive sonar system is there. Here also you can see in the active sonar system there are two types of waves. One wave is transmitted from the sonar system into the sea, and the other green colored wave is reflected back wave or echo wave. Okay, but in passive system there is only one kind of blue waves, so those are called as receiving waves. So the receiver is receiving the sounds produced by the object which is submerged inside the water. So did you understand the difference between active sonar and passive sonar? Yomini?
Ma'am, explain passive again, ma'am.
Yes. Yomini respond.
Miss,
Huh.
yeah, I have a question. In passive
Yes.
sonar system, you said that if there's no like transmitter, the object itself is transmitter, and it makes
Yes.
some kind of noise, like if it's a
Huh.
submarine or
Yes. Yes.
marine animal. But
Okay.
what if it's a hill? How will it make a noise?
No, no, hill will not make any noise, but the water is in a floating mode inside the ocean. So whatever the water which is hitting an object, it is the waves, the water waves will be reflected back. So that hitting the water will have some internal sound produced. Okay, whenever water hits some objects, again it goes back and again comes, because water is also having wave property. So in this wave property, again there is some kind of sound generated by the water which is passing around the vessels or around the objects or around the marine animals. So that water sound also produces some echoes, and that echoes will be received by the sonar which is present in the passive mode. Okay, and hence the calculations will be made accordingly,
Okay. So
right?
it's done by the water wave.
Yes, water sound produced
Yeah.
by water which is present around the object. Okay, yes. uh,
Okay, now I understood.
any Dhruv, actually
Ma'am,
uh,
passive explain, ma'am.
passive is nothing but it is a one way process. Okay, so in the passive mode, here you can see in this picture very clearly. So in there is a transmitter and there is a receiver. Okay, where there is a transmitter and receiver is, okay, so here you have a transmitter as well as receiver in the active sonar system. But in the passive sonar system, you have a receiver here. Okay, the sonar system is having a receiver. But where is the transmitter? Transmitter is here. It is object. Transmitter is a object, okay, which is present beneath the sea or under the sea or inside the sea. So now this dolphin is making some sounds. For example, this dolphin is making some sounds, or dolphin is producing some sounds from its mouth. Okay, then that sound waves, okay, they are produced, and this sonar system will receive these waves. Okay, it will directly receive the sound impulses from the dolphin. Okay, sonar is not transmitting. Everybody mute yourself. Somebody is talking again. There is a disturbance in the class. Yomini, please mute yourself. Somebody is speaking. Yes. So now in the passive sonar system, there is no inbuilt transmitter inside the sonar system. There is only a receiver in the sonar system. Then who is acting like a transmitter is like how it is receiving the sound, then how it is receiving the echo waves is generally the objects which are present inside the water. It could be fish, it could be any marine animal, or it could be any watercraft which is submerged inside the sea. They will produce some sounds. Okay, for example, fishes, if they will produce sound with the help of their mouth. Okay, so and any watercraft when it is moving inside the water, okay, it is having some engine sound which is produced. Okay, so it is having some engine sound or some propeller sound. Okay, or the water sound is generated because when a ship is moving inside the on the water, there are a lot of waves generated inside the water. They also produce some sound. So these all sounds will be received by the sonar. And accordingly the calculation, mean it could be finding out the object or it could be finding out the distance, whatever it is there, the receiving waves will be reaching the sonar through the receiver and the calculation was made. Hence it is called as passive slow mode. Passive means it is a slow mode. Active means it is an active mode. It is a very good mode and it is, you know, it gives good results also. In the passive mode the work will be very slow mode. Okay, so one way process is passive mode and two way process. In active sonar, what is happening? There is a transmitter which transmits or which produces waves into the ocean, and the waves will be striking the object, and the object will be again reflecting back. When once the waves strike an object, the waves will be reflected back, and again receiver will receive those waves in the active sonar system. But whereas in passive sonar system there is no transmitter, the sonar system will not produce or will not transfer any sound waves. Okay, but what it will do is it will receive the waves from the objects which are present inside the sea. Okay, it will collect the waves and accordingly it will go for the next calculations. Did you understand, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference between active sonar and passive sonar then?
In active sonar, transmitter will send sound waves and that object will also send waves, ma'am. But in passive, only receiving.
Transmitter will send the waves. Okay, these waves will hit the object. So when the waves are hitting that object, we have echo property. What is echo? When a sound wave is hitting any particular object, the wave will be reflected back. So that reflected waves will be traveling back and those are received by the receiver which is present in the sonar. Okay, it is called as active sonar. Now you tell me about passive sonar.
Ma'am, in passive sonar, only receiving, ma'am. That object will be transmit the waves and this ship will receive those waves, ma'am. No reflecting will happen, ma'am.
Okay, so this is called as passive sonar. Okay, so is it clear for everybody now?
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
is still having any kind of
Yes,
doubt
yes.
in this?
No, ma'am.
No.
It's clear, ma'am.
No, miss.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So, what happened to Akshara? Why she was not attending classes? Akshara is not there?
She's
Huh,
not
Maya?
there, ma'am.
Not there. Why she was
I
not attending?
I think she
I
is
don't
having some
know.
network issues, ma'am. They're in Uganda. She's in Uganda, ma'am.
So, if any WhatsApp number is available, please text her to attend the class immediately.
I
Okay.
have her number. I'll ask her.
Please text her. Right. So this is regarding the sonar system. So with this actually we have completed the week 3. Okay, content sheet 1 is completed and now you have week 3 content sheet 2 concept. Okay, the concept which is given for the content sheet 2 is structure of the human ear. Okay, we have to understand what is the structure of the human ear. So before going to that topic, actually I have sent you week 1 notes also, but few of you have sent me back, but few of you have not sent me back. I don't know what is the reason. Today I'm going to send this week 2 notes also. So
Ma'am, when
week
did you send week 1 notes, ma'am? I didn't receive it.
week 1 notes I have sent long back. Few of your
Yeah, me
friends,
too.
yes, few of your friends have written it and they have again sent me back also. Naina, respond. Naina is there in this class?
Yes, ma'am, I have sent it, ma'am. In
Yes,
MGB, I
ma'am.
have
What,
sent
ma'am?
it.
I have
Yes,
sent
ma'am.
notes
Miss,
long
can
back.
you send it
Yes,
again?
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
when
yesterday I sent it you, ma'am.
I
uh,
wrote also, ma'am.
no, few of your children, few of the students are asking when did you send, madam? So
Ma'am, we got, ma'am. We received day before yesterday only, ma'am.
so see, they are all sleeping, and that's the
Yes,
reason
ma'am.
I have
But
texted.
Miss, I
I
did not
have
NCB.
I have announced in the class also repeatedly that I am going to send notes through NCB. Please write and send me back to my WhatsApp number. I will do corrections. Repeatedly I was telling in the class, and again I have sent through MCB. I have written also there in the
In
homework
the
column.
NCB also, ma'am.
In the
And
homework
ma'am,
column also I have given
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
description of that, and few of the children have written the notes. They have sent me back, and I have done corrections also, and I have sent them back also. But few of the children have not sent me back, and I don't know what is the reason for it. Okay, if you are not doing
ma'am,
homeworks, you are
Miss,
going
I didn't receive it.
through MCB, you will receive it. Okay, if you do not understand the process of how
But
to
I
get,
went through
ma'am,
it.
ma'am,
You didn't put
it's
any
a
link
week
or
ago,
anything.
ma'am.
I was not understanding like what. Please repeat, because your voice is buffering. Yomini,
Ma'am,
Who's? Yes, Miss.
what you are talking something it was not clear.
Well, I was saying that you didn't put anything in the NCB app. Only
No,
physics. I
no,
haven't
no,
seen any
no.
like note or any
See, you are
No,
link
trying.
ma'am
in
has kept the
NCB about.
answers on 28th.
ma'am,
I
but
huh?
both PDFs are same, ma'am.
One
Yes,
you
ma'am.
write, what is the problem in it? Okay, so
Only
I
one,
mean,
ma'am.
few of the children, they are viewing only CW column, and few of the children, they are viewing only HW column. So I have placed both in CW classwork column as well as homework column, so that if you refer homework column also, you will be knowing the information, and if you refer classwork column also, you will be getting the information. So you can take any one of the file and you can write. When you open and when you cross check it, you will understand it. There is no tougher job involved in it, right?
Ma'am, but that only week one, ma'am. Ma'am, please send today week two, ma'am. Week
I
two note.
I will send, but did you send me back week
Miss,
one notes?
can you send both
Huh,
of
Dhruv?
Yes,
I did
ma'am.
not receive even week one notes from Dhruv also.
Ma'am, I sent it yesterday,
Miss,
ma'am.
can you
Dhruv
send them
respond?
again, please?
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am,
No,
but I
ma'am.
forgot to
Then
send,
what is
ma'am.
the use if you write yourself and if you keep it with you? How will I understand that you have written and you have completed it? You have to send me back on that day only. I told already it was not received by me, and again you are asking me to post week two. Few of the children they did not send me back.
Time is completed, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Still 5 more minutes is there now. What is the time now?
Ma'am, 11 1, ma'am. And complete.
I'll
Yes,
leave
ma'am.
it.
11
But
1.
anyways, I'll close here. But anyways, what you have to do is today I will send week two also. Okay, week one and week two notes I have sent you very clearly. So it is your
Ma'am,
responsibility.
only week 1 you sent, na, ma'am.
Yeah, week one is sent to you. Week two I will send now. Mean by today
Oh, okay,
evening you
ma'am.
will receive week two also. And those children who have not written week one, please write week one. And those children who have not written week two, you have to write week one and week two also. Okay, I will send
Ma'am,
through
what is
Okay,
today's
MCB.
ma'am.
homework, ma'am?
Just
Send both
notes
of
only.
them.
Ma'am will send week two notes. You should write that.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.